So here's something very unpleasant with this National NC303. I have the calibrator on here, so it's throwing a carrier out, and tune into it on AM, but you can hear an awful hum in this thing, and it's been getting worse and worse. So I wanted to show you some of the trials and tribulations of old boat anchors. Anyway, I replaced the rectifier tube, thinking that could be it, with some diodes, and added more capacitors to the radio, thinking this was a power supply problem, but it's not. I think it's a tube heater or something to do with tube heating. I traced this tube here. If I touch it, the problem changes and sometimes goes away. I tried putting a different tube in there too, and it does the same thing, so I got to pull the radio back apart. Anyway, you hear that during sideband and AM. It comes and goes. It's pretty disgusting. So I got to figure that out. I keep the transmitter on top of the receiver. The transmitter is ready to put back on the receiver, but I can't really stack that transmitter on the receiver until the receiver's fixed. So I'll tell you one thing, it's tempting to buy a 7300 ICOM, but I don't know, what challenge is there? How can I fix old tubes if I had a 7300 ICOM? I suppose that's part of the joys of owning one. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.